2637 Watson, Padlock renovation. A large trash out, previous tenant left furniture, clothes, household goods. It's also a large touch-up paint. It's not our color. It's white. Full paint throughout. It's our color. Wooden floors has scratches and damage to it. Needs to be checked out. Got cracks in the ceiling here in the hallway. It's going to need to be repaired and repainted. And batteries for the smoke. That doesn't work. Replace the smoke detector. Mildew stains throughout. Needs to be checked out and repaired. Missing doorknob on the bedroom door. Needs to be replaced. Bathtub's gonna need to be recalled. Shower head, shower head. Hairline cracks in the walls. It's gonna need to be repaired. Doorknob and bathroom doors loose and needs to be repaired. More mildew stains. The handle to the stove is broken. Needs to be replaced. Missing light bulb in the kitchen. Needs to be replaced. That's about it.